Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to record on your Android or device, and so what we're gonna do is let me get this music started. I don't want it to be too loud though. So yeah, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to get this app and record. So technically, what we're gonna do is go to the Play Store and then download the Mobizen. Oh god. So find Mobizen. Then we're only going to get the first one. The rest we don't need. So get the first one, and then what we're gonna do is do that. Then it'll say like that. And so what we're gonna do is technically it'll say start now, and then do that again. And you tap this circle. It has a camera, and then there's other stuff that I don't think you need. And then if you press that, and then it says start now, and then you can start recording. And then when it's done, alright, so what I'm saying is, if you guys can't hear me, what you have to do is download that app. Do the stuff it says, and then you press start now if you want to record, and then it will tell you what to do. So then you can go to this circle right here, and then press the camera right there, and then if you want to stop it, press that square right there. So that's what we're going to do. And then when you're done with that, you can go to gallery, and then it'll show up on here. So that's usually how you do it. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Don't stop, hey, don't stop.